Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. In this video I'm going to tell about the new announcement and the new launch of the new version of the liquidity mining from the Gate.io, and I will explain in detail for this event in this video. So before I start, please subscribe my channel and share much more as you can. And if you are not a part of the Gate.io, then sign up link is also given over there, and in Telegram link is also given. Please like, subscribe all the channels. So let us start. As you can read here, Gate.io has launched a new version of liquidity mining pool bonus for UFI USDT automatic market maker, यानी कि it mean AMM, and added an extra time limited reward. Okay, some extra time limited reward is also added in this mining pool, which is 15,000 UFI. It means 1,50,000 UFI to them, all of the users which are like mining in this pool. So here you can see Gate.io has launched UFI USDT trading pair and a new version of the liquidity mining pool bonus, okay, AMM. Moreover, an extra time limited bonus of 1,50,000 UFI has been added to them respectively at the 1500 o'clock. Okay, so for this kind of the liquidity mining pool, 50% of the trading fee will be added into the liquidity bonus pool. Okay, so 50% will be trading fee will be added in the. Hello friend, welcome to your. Okay, taker and maker fee are adjusted to 0.3% from now. Gate.io point reduction is not supported. Welcome to join them now. So just if you want to join right now, I will share link in the description section as well, from where you can directly join the liquidity mining pool. Okay, here you can see, but just you have to click on the add liquidity, and after that you will mining will be started automatically. So let's come again to this page. Here, let's read it out further. Gate.io has launched at the Liquidity Mining Help Guide, which offer the common question answer and procedure to help users. You can also join the Gate.io LMN lending and single asset vault group to share and discuss on the idea more users. The GT group will bring more latest information on the liquidity mining for you. Here you can see today's liquidity mining APR ranking is showing here. On first rank is SPO USDT, which on second is DPET, and third one is the KWS and Genome on the fourth one, and the total utility USDT is. Equity USDT is 99222669 of the SPO, and current reward pool is 3162,083, and 7-day cumulative yield is 385.42, something like this. So it is on the top APR for the today. So to further enhancement of the experience, Gate.io has officially launched the centralized automated market maker AMM service on August 2021. This allows most of the new and non-mainstream coin market to gain similar liquidity as Uniswap. It allows user to enjoy a low cost and high quality user experience, and centralized platform. Gate.io will continue to add supported currencies. Please pay close attention for the announcement. So I will announce. I will check it out, and I will make video on the further announcement. So please subscribe my channel to get information about any announcement on the Gate.io at any time. So if you want to know more, so you have to click on this to give a link for read more. If you want to read more, then here you can see what is automated market mechanism. Here you can see here through the automated market maker mechanism, the liquidity provider it's called LP, can earn trading few revenue by providing liquidity to the market. The order maker offer fee to the LP in exchange lower slippage. Okay, through this mechanism, the market needs of both party are well matched. Okay, allowing LPs like liquidity provider and takers to get what they want. So, if you want to know about what is an impermanent loss, it refers to the loss of capital due to spread that occur when the price of the digital asset change after the investor has deposited the automated market maker liquidity pool, irrespectively of how the price of the digital asset change, impermanent loss will occur, and the large the spread and larger the loss. So, what is the liquidity mining? Let's see what is this. Liquidity mining is a method of acquiring more cryptocurrencies by placing cryptocurrency. Okay, it is a new trend in decentralized finance that allow cryptocurrency investors to fully utilize their crypto asset and receive higher return. Anyone can participate in the eco and simply put this mean locking your currency to receive reward. Just liquidity mining is like simple. I would like to explain that just you have to lock some currency and you will get definite reward after that. You can also lose your money, but there is still lots of chance to earn rewards by the holding that liquidity. So if you want to read more, I will mention all the links in description section from where you can read it out in detail. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you want to be a part of Gate.io, then sign up link is also given in the description section from where you can easily join the Gate.io and start earning on the Gate.io. Thank you for watching my